Vector. Vector quantity is a quantity that has both a magnitude and a direction. And obeys triangular law of addition, or equivalently parallelogram addition. Law of addition. So a vector is specified by giving its magnitude by a number and its direction. Now multiplication of vector. By real numbers. Multiply a vector A with a positive number lambda gives a vector whose magnitude is changed by a factor lambda, but the direction is the same as vector A. For example, if A is multiplied by 2, the resultant vector 2A. If A is multiplied by 2, the resultant vector 2A is in the same direction as A and has the magnitude of twice A. Now multiplying a vector A by a negative number minus lambda gives a vector minus lambda A whose direction is opposite to the direction of A. For example, multiplying a given vector A by minus 1, the resultant will be in opposite direction. If we multiply this by 1.5, the resultant will be minus 1.5. The resultant will be minus 1.5A. The factor lambda by which vector A is multiplied could be a scalar having its own physical dimension. Then the dimension of lambda and A is the product of the dimension of lambda and A. For example, if we multiply a constant velocity vector v by duration of time t, we get a displacement vector x. This is the basic of multiplication of vectors by real numbers.